3, 2.
Hi, it's Tracy from Imani Jewelry, and I'm here to show you how to keep your Imani jewelry looking absolutely fabulous at all times. Now, you know we've been doing repair work on your earrings ever since we started the company almost 40 years ago. You'll send us things that need a little bit of help, a little TLC. Sometimes they need to be cleaned, sometimes something needs to be adjusted. And so now I'm showing you how to do a couple of things at home yourself. What I've noticed over the years is that sometimes when people send in their earrings to be cleaned or restored, especially the leather earrings, we end up with this problem. Can you see it on here better? We have the hair that gets wrapped around. And depending on what hairstyle you wear, it's more prevalent than other times. So I have some at home, like a hack to show you how to do it. Because you know, I have my pliers, I have a bunch of professional tools that I use, but you can literally use some tweezers, some nail cutters, and a regular old pair of scissors to help yourself with this. I start by trying to unravel as much as I can, right? Pull off as much as I can. But sometimes it really gets wrapped around there. You see that's not really coming out too easily. So that's where I get my little nippers. I nip it a little bit here. Can you see that? I'm sorry, I know I'm turning it toward myself. You nip, 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 nip. Nip and pull. Get my tweezers. Try to get in between. And this is a really easy thing, but it makes such a difference on how beautiful your earrings look. And they'll end up looking just like new. You blow it a little bit, try to get all the hair out. I'm gonna lay it down so you can see the after. Oh, another little piece of hair right there. I think that's it. So that's the after. And look how much hair was wrapped around there. That's it. That's my hack for today. How to de-hair your earrings. Unhair, whatever. Make your earrings bald, call it what you like. But anyway, that's me, Tracy from Imani Jewelry. I forgot what the name of my company, Imani Jewelry. I hope this is very helpful. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.